everybody, today I'm going to share a coloring story with you called Cat Colors. It's based on the book by Airlie Anderson of the same name, Cat Colors, and it was shared with me by a colleague from the Central Kansas Library System. Her name is Patty Collins. So here is Cat Colors. It was a cloudy day, and Mama Cat was doing gray day things. And then she had an idea. I know! I'll collect some colors. So she walked beneath the green ceiling of leaves. Next, she took in the sweet smell of the red roses. She walked by a blue pond and saw her reflection. She looked up at the sky and saw that the sun was turning a bright orange as the day was ending. As she walked back home, she saw something purple on a branch. But it was getting darker, and now she could see how dark the black sky was. So she decided to find a cozy spot to lay down, and she found one right under the yellow moon. Mama Cat, where did you go? I see. You brought back the colors for your baby kittens. And that's the story of Cat Colors.